This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my boy pelic quick. They get gonna put up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just wanna party. I just wanna rock.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today I'm going to show you guys how to rebuild your Mr. Kustom puddle lights or courtesy lights that go to the bottom of the door panels. I have them in my town car. The problem is the image over time ends up fading from leaving doors open, working on the car, stuff like that. But luckily you can actually buy brand new inserts for these. That way you can reuse them, rejuvenate them. So I'm going to show you guys how to take these apart.
Alright guys, so this video is about Mr. Kustom. He sells puddle lights that you can customize with any logo that you want. So these are my Road Wolf puddle lights for the town car, and I never really realized how to change these out. So I'm going to show you guys how to change them out, because these do end up fading out over time. So let's get to it. So the first thing that you're going to do on the unit is actually just unthread this piece right here, and then you'll be able to get at everything that you need to get at inside here. So let me put the camera down, and I'm just going to unscrew that back piece with the LED on it, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So the LED end now is off of the puddle light, and then at this point you'll have the projector itself that has the image in it, and this is the part where I didn't understand how to change it out initially. So let's show you guys how this comes apart. Okay, so at this point it's real simple. Just take your finger on the end of the lens very carefully, and you're just going to push this forward. Once you push that piece up, you can slide the entire assembly out, and now you have this. So once you open it up, you'll see a few different magnifying lenses, a few more in there, but the piece that you're going to want to replace with a new one would be right here, and you can see that this one is faded. So it's as simple as changing out that piece, which I have here, putting that in, and then at that point reassembling all of this. Be very careful when opening this, obviously, and make sure that you put all the lenses in the exact same direction that it came in with. Okay, and here is the proper orientation of these lenses. So these two and this end will face each other. This is on the LED side of the unit. Then four of these lenses here just go right the same way, and then you would change out this piece and put it back together. Right, so at this point these are ready to go back together with the new images in them. So we'll carefully snap those back together, and then make sure that we point these in the correct direction going back into the tube. There is a seal at the end of the lenses, a little O-ring. So make sure that you put that back in, and at that point everything should be good.
So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.